One. James, wake up.
Oh, I was dreaming of a nice warm hot tub on this cold 40-degree March day. Kingsmill, good afternoon. Welcome to number 3 of our fitness center renovation walkthrough. We are in the men's hot tub lounge area. Remember, as we walk through, everything under the roof is coming down and coming out. So we're in the hot tub, all the tiles out, getting ready to be demoed, just about done. We'll walk over to our sauna. That's been completely gutted, ready to be taken out. And then the steam room on the other side, completely gutted, ready to be taken out. We're gonna walk through the men's locker room. You're gonna see everything is gone. Lockers, walls up. This was the restroom section of the men's bathroom. Toilets, sinks. This was the main locker room with lockers all against the wall. All the walls have been taken out, ceilings raised up. We're going to go now to the main fitness floor. They finished demolition in that area. The ceiling has been completely raised up. It is a gorgeous, completely open, beautiful space. HVAC out, electrical out. Ready to go. We're going to walk back across the facility. The studio has been completely opened. More HVAC gone, more plumbing gone, more electrical gone. All the lights are out, all the old sound system is out. It is now one big, beautiful space. Fun area. Gonna have a blast in here. As we go to the ladies' locker room, same thing, completely opened up. Roofs raised, walls taken down. So ladies' locker room, we highlighted our first video, but everything out. This was the ladies' restrooms over here on the left. Walking through the ladies' showers. Still a little bit of removal there. Then we get to the women's wet suite. Sauna completely out. Steam room completely out. And the hot tub detiled. Ready for demo and more installation. It's going to be a pretty cool spot. Alright, so keep an eye out. We're going to start doing some hard hat tours of the facility. Once we get the last little bit of demo cleaned up, be on the lookout for reservations. I'm going back to nap time in the sauna and hot tub. See you next time.